Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to pair your car navigation system to your mobile device via Bluetooth. As you can see, this navigation system is in Japanese language, and this particular car is a Honda Insight. Um, the procedure may be same for other Japanese cars as well. So first we're gonna press the menu button. Now you can see the icon on the bottom left hand side. You can see icon with a phone picture on it, a mobile phone picture. So we're gonna press that option. Here you can see a Bluetooth flashing on the left hand side. We're gonna press OK. Now out of those options, you will see on the bottom left hand side there are two options. So we're gonna press the bottom left option. After pressing that, you will see a device which is already connected, a list of devices here which are already connected to your phone. If you wish to connect a new device, you're gonna press the first option on the right hand side, and then again the first option on the top. Here you can see again a Bluetooth searching for the device. Bluetooth, there's a pin number here and the name of the device, Navi. So you need to switch on the Bluetooth on your phone and it will search for the Navi on the phone. So once you select that option, it will ask you for the password or pin number, which is 0000, and you will see on the screen that the phone has been connected. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching my channel.